Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Renter's insurance is an affordable way to cover personal belongings, and don't forget about its liability insurance and coverage for additional living expenses. And here are common scenarios that renter's insurance can cover. Number 1. Your personal belongings are destroyed. In a worst case scenario, like a fire, renter's insurance will pay to replace your stuff. It is a good idea to pay replacement cost coverage with your renter's policy. So, you are reimbursed for buying new items, not the depreciated value of what you lost. And then number 2, your personal belongings are stolen. Renter's insurance covers items stolen inside and outside your home. For example, if someone steals your luggage from a hotel room, that's covered. Number 3, you own high value items. If you own expensive items such as jewelry, art, or musical instruments, renter's insurance can pay to replace them if they are stolen or damaged by a problem covered by your policy. You may need to schedule certain types of items if your policy has sub-limits. For example, a renter's insurance policy might have a $100 limit for stolen jewelry. And the number 4, someone gets hurt while visiting your home. Accidents happen. If someone gets hurt in your home and you are legally liable, renter's insurance will cover medical bills, legal costs, and judgments. And the number 5, you have a dog. If your dog bites someone, whether inside your apartment or away from home, you could suffer a major financial setback without renter's insurance. Liability coverage within renter's insurance can cover lawsuits like this. Number 6. You need money to live elsewhere if your apartment is being repaired. Coverage for additional living expenses pays extra costs such as hotel bills and restaurant meals if you cannot live at home because of a problem covered by the policy. For example, if you have to live in a hotel after a fire, you can get reimbursed. While the cost of renter's insurance is typically low, it is good to compare quotes from multiple insurance companies. Don't pick a company based on a clever commercial. When you buy a renter's insurance policy, you will typically have the option to choose between replacement cost or actual cash value or ACV. And here's the difference between the two. Replacement cost coverage pays to replace your damaged items with new, similar items, while actual cash value coverage takes depreciation into account and will only pay the current value of your item. You can also save on renter's insurance by asking about discounts. Common renter's insurance discounts include: number 1, a multi-policy discount for buying more than one type of insurance from the same company, such as bundling car insurance with renter's insurance. Number 2, having protective devices such as a fire alarm, sprinkler, burglar alarm, and or deadbolt locks. Number 3, small discount for getting a quote in advance, paperless billing, and rolling in auto-pay for paying your premium in full. Number 4, price breaks when you haven't made any renter's insurance claims. And here is tips for buying renter's insurance. Number 1, shop around. Get renter's insurance quote from multiple companies. You can typically get free quotes online or by contacting an independent insurance agent. Number 2, ask about discount. Insurers offer an array of discounts that can help bring down your renter's insurance premium. For example, you might qualify for a discount if you insure your car and your rented apartment or home with the same company. And the number 3, think over the deductible. Determine whether you are more interested in saving money upfront with a higher deductible or choosing a lower deductible to make sure your personal belongings are adequately covered if you need to file a claim. Number 4, decide on the coverage limits. Make sure you have got enough coverage so you can repair or replace items lost in an incident covered by your policy without suffering a financial setback. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to always give your like, comment, comment, and subscribe.